Approximately 1,700 traffic safety stakeholders gathered April 19th through the 21st, 2026, in Baltimore for the 44th Annual Lifesavers Conference. Through its scores of workshops, plenary sessions, and vast exhibit hall, the nation's largest event of its kind reflected the latest highway safety research, best practices, and cutting-edge strategies and technology focused on reducing preventable injuries and deaths on the nation's roadways.
Looking around this room, I see the architects of a safer future. I see the people who stay up late wondering, how can we reach one more teenager? How can we prevent one more impaired driver from getting behind the wheel? And how can we help one more parent put their child in an appropriate restraint system?
State EMS Medical Director Dr. Tim Chismar joined a panel discussion moderated by NHTSA Office of EMS Director Gam Wijatunga that included R. Adams Cowley Shock Trauma Center Physician-in-Chief Dr. Thomas Scalea and National Association of State Emergency Medical Services Officials Executive Director Dia Gaynor.
Behind every 911 call are professionals who not only have telecommunications training, they also have medical training. And the first thing that they're really charged with doing is making sure we're getting the right resources to the patient in the right amount of time. The other big thing I think to emphasize that we've really been growing in our EMS system are pre-arrival instructions. This really engages the bystanders at the point of injury or the point of illness in trying to take part in that aid.
Melanie Higgins lent the perspective of her role as EMS Captain of Quality Assurance for the Washington County Department of Emergency Services to a panel discussion focused on child passenger safety.
It's a really neat opportunity to bring people from different disciplines together to look at the big picture and specific things on traffic safety and what we can do to save more lives on roads.
It's just really eye-opening to see that, it's not just us having these same obstacles. It's pretty standard across the board.
Every day we're reminded that roadway safety is not just about prevention, it's about the full continuum of care. From safer road design and responsible driving behavior to rapid emergency response and post-crash care, every piece matters when it comes to saving lives.